Hello, everyone. I've heard from a lot of you that you're having trouble today with the garden tasks, so I wanted to come on here and make sure I could help you out. I want to apologize that I wasn't on regular time today. Unfortunately, I've been doing a lot at the school to get ready for graduation, handing out Chromebooks, handing out end-of-year gifts for student council, so there's been a lot of stuff going on where I've had to be at the school during my normal hour, so I've been doing some early hours lately. I don't want you to be overwhelmed with this task. It's a test grade, but I'm here to help you. It's not meant to be a thorn in your side. So please make sure you attend my office hours when possible because it is easier to help you face to face. But I wanted to make this video to help you guys out. First, I want to address how to get to the project and what you even need to do. I'm going to address how to find the area today, and then tomorrow I'll make another video to help you with the next step. But all you owe me before next class is this first step. So the first step is where you can find everything. Go to your Google Classroom, go to the classwork tab, and this is the actual task right here, the PDF. Over here, this is the directions through Google Slides. So if I click on the Google Slides, the first slide is it just says garden task, and I linked the actual task to it, so you don't have to go to two places in case you don't want to. Today, all you're supposed to do is pick, or you can do it tomorrow, is pick who your partner is, strategize how you want to attack the problem. The first thing you need to do is find the area of the composite shape. Be sure you have your work on paper because you're going to need to submit it to me with your final project. And then all you had to do at the end of finding the area was fill out this Google form. In the Google form, it asks you what'd you get for that area so I can see if you're on the right track. So now let's talk about how the heck do we find this area. So let's go to my screen. I kind of did a makeshift of this picture. When I look at the garden task, so let me just go back really quick. This is the, sorry, that's my work. If I go and click on the actual garden task, this is the garden task. When you read through this, guys, I recommend writing down important information. The important information that I got out of this is that the loam is $14 per cubic yard. The mulch is $26 per cubic yard. And then I also got that the loam depth is 18 inches and that the mulch depth is 3 inches. Now, one quick thing here is when it looks like this, that is inches. If it looks like this, that is feet. The conversion from feet to inches, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. Okay, so that's going to help us get some stuff done here. All right. So the next thing I want to talk about is breaking this picture up into pieces. So I wrote down my important information. Loam is $14 per cubic yard. Mulch is $26 per cubic yard. I have my loam depth, my mulch depth, inches, feet, 12 inches are in a foot. Now, I would break this up into some important things about this picture. So there's a lot of shapes going on here, and some of it may not look perfect for you, but this is just a half circle. So I'm going to talk about this as shape 1. This is just a rectangle. I'm going to talk about it as shape 2. This is another half circle. I'm going to talk about it as shape 3. This is a trapezoid right here. I'm going to talk about it as shape 4. And this is another trapezoid. I'm going to talk about it as shape 5. Okay, so I'm going to start with shape 1. Okay, this is a half circle. I need to find the area of the half circle. Okay, the area formula for a circle is half times r squared. Okay, so I'm going to do pi times my radius is 9 feet 1 inch. This is where we run into the problem. That's impossible to put in here. We'd have to use decimals. That's just annoying. So what we're going to first do is convert all of this just to inches. We don't want to deal with any feet. So first I'm going to convert feet to inches. So remember, there are 12 inches in a foot. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just use my phone calculator because that's what's near me right now. So I got my phone calculator out. There's 9 feet, so I'm just going to do 9 times 12. That gives me 108 plus that 1. So that means there's 109 inches there. So 109 inches. Here I have 13 feet. So 13 times 12 inches. And then I'm going to add the 4. I meant to put 4, sorry. 160. So now I got 160 inches here. Okay, so if I complete that process all around the board, I will have all of my inches. You guys can take a minute and do those. I'm going to go ahead and start to show you what I'm going to do here for the half circle. So for this half circle, I have pi. The radius is this, the 109 inches. I'm going to square that. So when I put that in my calculator, I will find out what my area is for this. And once I do that, I'll be able to add it up to all the other areas to find the area of the whole thing. Okay, so we talked about one half circle. This is a rectangle. This one should be super easy. Just length times width is my area of a rectangle. I don't think I need to go over that one. Just make sure you convert those to inches. Okay, number 3 is another half circle. So we just went over one like that, so you should be good with that one. Okay. Number 4 is a trapezoid. So let's discuss that a little bit. And number 5 is also a trapezoid. So you should be able to do 5 once you see me go over 4. So our area for a trapezoid is A plus B over 2 times H. H is our height. Okay. So